Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will at Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and we're working on Weezer's Islands in the Sun. Yeah, Weezer. I know. On the Loog? You got it, right here on the Loog. Notice that opening riff sounds really good on our 3-stringed instrument, because if you're playing a 6-string guitar or the Loog, you're playing the exact same shapes and really only 3 strings if you're trying to sound exactly like the way Weezer plays it. So we're going to learn that opening riff, we're going to learn the chords, and we're going to slide right into that bridge, which is pretty easy. It's only 2 chords. Stick around, we got a lot to learn today. Let's jump right in with the chord shapes that we need to know. I'm going to start with the verse. These are the easier chords. If you've been here at Loog Nation before, you will know all of these chords. Hey, if you're new to Loog Nation, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new video, and we want you to be able to pick up an instrument easily, and I believe that Loog is the easiest stringed instrument to play before picking up a 6-string instrument if you're a brand new player. So, welcome. Your chords are E minor, A minor, D, and G. E minor, pretty easy, you're not touching anything. A minor, first finger, second finger. First finger, second string, first fret, second finger, third string, second fret. D, 2 peace signs on the outer string, second fret, and then your third finger coming around over the top of the first string onto the second string, third fret. I have a whole video on how to master the D chord. I'll leave a link in the description for you. And then our G, third finger on the third fret of the first string. Yeah. So, these are the 4 chords of the entire song, save for that little bridge section, but we'll get to that part later. E minor, A minor, D, G. This is the progression of the song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Yeah, this is a really easy way to play this song. Down, up, strums, 8th notes. Notice as I was humming along, it fits really well with the lyrics. The trick about the lyrics is that we're starting on the 2nd chord of the progression. Notice we're starting on that A minor, not the E minor. Just a little tip for you if you're trying to play and sing at the same time. So that's most of the song, is this E minor, A minor, D, and G. But I know why you're here. You like that opening riff. Let's get to it. We're playing same chords, different shapes. Yeah, beat. That's what makes the instrument so fun. You can play the same chords in different shapes up and down on the neck. We're gonna learn that right now. Like this E minor. Wow, that is a cool shape. On your flashcards, you probably have a D minor. Somewhere in your flashcards there is a D minor, and you can use this shape up and down the neck. I'm moving a D minor shape up 2 frets, a whole step to an E minor. Same sound as an open E minor. I'm just playing different, what they call inversions, or different pitches at different places in the octave tones. Wow, music is funny, right? So we get the same sounds, but they happen in very low tones, middle tones, high tones, right? We get these different tones, or these different intervals, these different octaves of the same tone. So the way that this chord is shaped, it's inverted, or the way that the notes stack up is different than this sound. We have a different octave. Kind of cool. I don't know if you wanted to learn that or not, but I sure did anyway. E minor. Second finger, third string, 4th fret. First finger, first string, 3rd fret, and then I've got the 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then I'm going to play an A minor. Not this A minor, but I'm actually going to play a minor shape. And I'm going to take my 3rd finger. It's the easiest way to move from E minor to A minor is my 3rd finger. I'm going to squeeze real hard. I'm going to lay it across all 3 strings. Now, if this is too challenging, you could always use your 1st finger. 1st finger tends to be the stronger finger. But I like to challenge myself and use my 3rd finger. So I'm going E minor, then to A minor. That's fun. E minor, A minor. Great. D is the same D. We're not going to mess with that. That D is the same D. It's already hard enough to play. We're going to play this D here. We're not going to do a different version or a different shape of the D. Great. And then we're going to play a G. There's 2 ways you can do this. You could absolutely play this G. You could do that. Nothing wrong with that. I want to set myself up for success going back to the new E minor shape. So I'm going to take, in my flashcards, you see an F major, right, where you're using 1 finger across 2 strings and then your other finger over the top on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So if you find your flashcards and find the F major, I'm going to move that up 2 frets. Whoop, whoop. Now I'm playing a G major. This shape moves up and down the neck. So does the A minor. The major does the same thing. This helps me play an E minor again. Look, all I have to do is add my finger. Boop. And then I'm playing A minor, D, and G. E minor. Now I'm going to play with my pinky. I'm crazy. Practice that. Get good at changing from this E minor to the A minor to the D to the G. Now once we get that down, we can get that rhythm in. Wow, that feels like light years ahead of what we just did. Okay, let's break this down. I'm playing an E minor. And then I'm stopping. I'm slapping the guitar. I want to stop that sound. Then I'm going to change to an A minor. And I'm going to come up. I'm going to play 2 up strums. Sorry, an up and a down. Right? So I'm playing E minor, stop, up, down. Let's just work on those 2 chords. E minor, up, down, stop. E minor, stop, up, down, stop. Then we're going to move to the D, and we're going to play 2 ups. Notice that I'm stopping again. I'm using my hand to just stop. I even let my knuckles kind of tap the guitar. It sounds cool. If you have an electric, it would sound cool. Acoustic, it's got this nice hollow sound. So we go. Play, stop, play, stop. And that's just up, up, stop, up, stop. Cool. So let's keep building this, right? E minor, stop. A minor, change. Up, down, stop. 2 Ds, up, up, E minor, stop, A minor, stop, D, stop, D, stop. And then we move to the G. Up, down, right? So we get the 2 Ds, up, stop, and then up, down on the G major. E minor, stop, A minor, stop, D, D, up, down on the G. All right, are you with me still? That's great. So this is a big challenge for us as players at Loog Nation. We're doing a bunch of things. We've got new chord shapes. We're playing and stopping the sound. If you just work on this, you're going to be a better player overall. You're challenging yourself to take on new things, and I love that. I'm proud of you guys. Great job. Great job. I do add that stop in at the end of the G. Yeah, I do. Okay, so there's your 4 chords, and you've got the intro with the unique shapes and the verse with the open chords that you may already know, and I'm just playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll run away together, we'll spend some time forever, we'll never feel bad anymore. Hey, hey. Cool, so that's the bridge of the song. The bridge is what we call a departure, right, from the chorus and the verse. One new chord, it's very easy to learn, but we're playing the same chords in a different order. We're playing D, G, D, G, C, A minor, hip, back into the intro. Pretty fun. Let's go through that bridge one more time. We're playing a D for 2 bars. No, that would actually just be 1 bar, sorry. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and C. 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably it's just 1, 2, 3 on that D. D, 1, 2, 3, hip, hip. Yeah, I like that. Stop on 3 so we can get to the hip, hip. All right, so that's all of Islands on the Sun, right? We have our intro, our verse and chorus, and then that bridge. So let's put that all together for just like a little mini practice session. I'm going to do the intro 2 times, and then I'm going to do the verse and chorus strumming 4 times, and then I'm going to play that bridge and get us back to the intro. This is a cool little play along practice section. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. How'd that go? If you ever have a question about what I'm doing or want some more specific like lesson points, please leave a comment below and I'll shoot a little short video here at YouTube for you. All right. Yeah, Beat, that was really fun. I like Weezer a lot. We're going to do more Weezer songs in the future. Do you like Weezer? Let me know. Thanks so much for tuning in today and learning Islands on the Sun by Weezer. And if you want to watch more videos, stay tuned. Right after this video, we're going to have cool little things pop up here and you can just keep on clicking through and watch more videos here at Loog Nation. We're here every Thursday with a new video, so we'll see you soon. Yeah, like in a week. Okay, bye-bye.